Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wall planters that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to create a vertical garden, save space, or just add a touch of green to your walls, we've got some amazing options lined up for you. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the BAM World Wall Plant Holder. This set of 3 wall-mounted planters is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their living space while keeping their greenery in the spotlight. With its sleek black metal design, this product exudes modern minimalism. The compact dimensions of 6.7 by 5.5 by 10.1 inches allow it to fit perfectly in various spaces, whether by a window, in your living room, or even on a patio. The standout feature here is its ability to position plants for optimal sunlight exposure, making it ideal for natural light lovers. The construction is sturdy, crafted from premium painted metal, and its load capacity of 80 pounds means it can handle a wide variety of potted plants. The design is versatile, allowing you to showcase everything from lush hanging vines to small potted succulents. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the included mounting hardware. However, compared to other products on this list, the design is a bit basic, and it doesn't offer any advanced features like self-watering systems. This product is great for someone who values simplicity and durability. While it's not as innovative as some of the other options, its modern aesthetic and functionality make it a solid choice. The downside is the lack of versatility in design compared to other contenders. But if you're looking for a reliable and stylish wall planter, this one gets the job done. Coming in at number 4, we have the LA Jolie Muse Wall Hanging Planters. This set of 2 pocket-shaped planters combines elegance and functionality in a weathered gray finish that's perfect for minimalist or rustic interiors. Designed to hold a variety of plants such as succulents, spider plants, and air plants, these planters allow you to turn your greenery into a living wall art installation. The dimensions of 5.7 by 4.1 by 7 inches make them compact. Yet they still offer enough room for most small plants. The material is an eco-friendly combination of recycled plastic and natural stone powder, making these planters lightweight and durable. The weather-resistant design ensures that they won't crack, fade, or peel, even when used outdoors. Installation is straightforward, with pre-drilled holes and included screws for easy mounting. However, it's worth noting these planters don't have built-in drainage or self-watering features, which could be a drawback for some plant owners. These planters are ideal for those who want a blend of style and practicality, whether for indoor or outdoor use. While the set is smaller than some other options on this list, it's perfect for anyone looking to add subtle and elegant greenery to their walls. The downside? With only 2 planters in the set, it might not be the most economical option if you're aiming to fill a larger space. Taking the 3rd spot is the Wall Planters by Storinization. This set of 3 window plant shelves offers a unique and functional way to display your favorite greenery. The standout feature here is the generous tray diameter of 6.2 inches, which accommodates pots ranging from 3 to 5.5 inches. Making it a great option for larger plants. The design is sleek and modern, with smooth black, rust-resistant metal that adds a touch of elegance to any space. These planters are perfect for maximizing wall space and can be mounted indoors or outdoors, whether you want to brighten up a blank wall in your living room or create a serene corner in your garden. The assembly process is straightforward, and you'll have them up and ready in about 5 minutes. While the design is sturdy and durable, the lack of multi-level configurations or advanced features like self-watering systems might leave some users wanting more. This product is best suited for plant enthusiasts who need versatile and durable plant stands that work in various environments. The polished finish gives it a premium look, and its ability to hold larger pots is a big plus. However, at a slightly higher price point, it might not be the most budget-friendly option for those with extensive plant collections. At number 2, we have another fantastic offering from BAM World, their Wall Planters set of 3. What sets this product apart is the picture frame-inspired design that merges plants with wall decor. This unique aesthetic adds personality to your space while maximizing vertical space. Whether mounted on a wall, windowsill, or balcony, these planters are versatile and stylish, designed to elevate any interior or exterior setting. Crafted from premium metal, these planters are built for durability and stability. They're perfect for creating a customized display, allowing you to swap out plants based on your mood, the season, or even your decor theme. Installation is a breeze, with all necessary tools and hardware included. However, at 6.31 pounds, the set is slightly heavier than other options, which might require sturdier mounting. This product is ideal for those who want a combination of functionality and decorative appeal. It's great for anyone who likes to regularly switch up their plant displays. The downside? While the design is visually appealing, the heavier weight and lack of advanced features, like self-watering, might not appeal to everyone. Still, for its quality and aesthetic, it earns its spot near the top of the list. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Plant Pod Luxe by Make Good. This set of 6 self-watering wall planters is a game changer for anyone who loves plants but struggles to keep them alive. The self-watering system allows you to go weeks without watering, making plant care practically effortless. With a modern matte white finish and a lightweight, durable resin construction, these planters are designed to enhance any interior space while taking up zero floor space. The installation process is as simple as it gets. Just a single nail is enough to mount these planters without causing significant damage to your walls. The oval shape and compact dimensions, 4.5 by 5 by 5 inches, make them perfect for creating a vertical garden in even the smallest of spaces. The set is not only functional, but also designed with aesthetics in mind, blending seamlessly into modern and minimalist interiors. This product is perfect for busy individuals who want the benefits of indoor plants without the hassle of constant maintenance. The set of 6 offers excellent value, allowing you to create an entire wall garden at once. The only downside is that these planters are strictly for indoor use, but for their innovative design and ease of use, they're the clear winner in this list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.